If Free Fire shows a black screen or gets stuck on loading on Android, follow these fixes step by step. First of all, restart your phone. This closes background apps and frees up memory. Many times, the black screen issue is fixed right here. Next, check for updates. Go to the Google Play Store and update Free Fire. Also, check Android system updates from your phone settings. Make sure your phone has enough battery. Low battery can sometimes cause the game to not load properly. Now let's fix it from app settings. Open settings, then go to apps, app management or manage apps, depends on your phone model. Now find Free Fire from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage and clear cache. If the problem continues, clear data as well. This will log you out, but it's safe. Next, go to Developer Options. If it's not enabled, open About Phone and find Build Number. Tap on it 7 times. Inside Developer Options, find Graphics Driver Preferences. If you don't find the developer option yet, you can search from the settings. Then find Graphics Driver Preferences and then select Free Fire and set it to System Graphics Driver. This helps fix black screen issues on many devices. Now go back to Free Fire app info, open battery settings and set it to no restrictions. If the black screen is still there, uninstall Free Fire and reinstall it from the Play Store. This ensures all game files download correctly. Also check your phone temperature. If your device is overheating, let it cool down before playing again. For advanced users, you can wipe the cache partition from recovery mode. This clears system cache and can fix loading issues on some phones. For low-end devices, be patient during loading. Avoid using booster apps. They often make things worse. That's it. These steps should fix the Free Fire black screen problem on your Android phone. Subscribe to the channel if you want more Free Fire fixes.